Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So, ngayon guys, ako ay magta-try ng coffee jelly. So, try ko lang guys kasi ngayon ko lang nasubukan to guys. So, subukan rin guys. So, ito pa lang yung kulay ng laman niya guys. Uy, nabasa guys. Top guys. Coffee talaga yung laman niya guys. May mga coffee flavor siya guys. Tapos ang laman niya din ay may gulaman guys. Sarap guys. Nabili ko ito dito sa canteen guys. Worth it naman guys. Masarap.
Where'd it go?
Gagawin yung feeling ito.
Ikaw, wag kayo ma-upload sa vlog.
Naginig.
Sarap guys. Coffee jelly. So, gulaman lang yung laman niya guys. Sarap.
Ayun! Wala ko!
Sarap guys. Recommended ito guys. Coffee jelly. 30 pesos lang. Dito sa aming canteen. Guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Natry ko ng inumin o kainin ito coffee jelly. Sarap guys. See you in the next video guys. Thank you.